In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people on Homebase. We will walk through adding a new team member from start to finish so they can start using the schedule and time clock with everyone else. First, open Homebase. If you are using the web version, that means opening your browser and signing into your Homebase account. On a phone or tablet, you would open the Homebase app and log in with your account. Once you are in, you should see your main Homebase dashboard with sections for schedule, time clock, and team, which confirms you are in the right place. Now go to Team. Look for the Team option in the main navigation area. On the web, this usually appears as a word in the left sidebar. In the app, it may be in the bottom menu. When you tap or click Team, you should see a list of existing people who already have access, along with their roles and sometimes their status, like active or invited. Next, click Add Employee or Add Team Member. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but it will be very close to that. Once you select it, Homebase opens a new form or window for creating a new person. You will know you are in the right place when you see blank fields ready for their contact details. Here, enter the person's details. Start with their name, using the full first and last name they use at work. Then add their phone number. Make sure the number is current and can receive text messages because some invitations or shift alerts may use that. After that, type in their email address. Double check for spelling or missing dots since an incorrect email means they will never receive the invite. Next, select their role, such as employee, manager, or any other role you see in your account. The role controls what they can see and do, like whether they can edit schedules or just view their own shifts. If you are unsure, choose employee for people who should only clock in and see their schedule, and manager for someone who helps run the place. After that, choose their location and permissions. If your Homebase account has more than one location, pick the one where this person will actually work, so their shifts appear in the right schedule. Then review any permission options you see, such as whether they can see all shifts or manage time cards. A helpful tip here is to start with more limited permissions, then expand them later if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Send Invite. Homebase saves the new person and creates an invite for them. On the screen, you should now see them listed in your team area, usually with a status that shows they have been invited. The person will receive an invitation to join Homebase, usually by email and sometimes by text, and once they accept, they can log in and start using your schedule and time clock. You just added a new team member in Homebase so they can join your schedule and time tracking. So if this helped, give it a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Homebase tips.